Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1. US CPI. On Wednesday, July 12th, the US CPI data will be released. In May, the pace of inflation eased to its lowest rate in over 2 years at 4% year over year. However, core inflation has remained stubbornly high, putting pressure on the Federal Reserve to continue tightening monetary policy. The upcoming report is expected to show that headline inflation cooled further to 3.2%, which is still above the Fed's 2% target. Core inflation is also expected to remain higher than headline inflation for another month. Number 2. US Quarter 2 banks earnings. The Quarter 2 earnings season kicks off this week, with Citigroup, Wells Fargo and JP Morgan releasing their quarterly earnings on Friday, July 14th. After passing the Federal Reserve's stress test, these banks saw a rebound in their share prices. The KBW Banks Index also posted its first monthly gain since the banking sector turmoil in March. Key areas of focus will include net increase income, deposit flows and bad loan provisions. Number 3. BOC rate decision. So the Bank of Canada surprised the market by hiking interest rates by 25 basis points in the previous meeting after a 4-month pause. Since then, Canada's CPI has slowed to 3.4%, the smallest increase in 12 months. However, on a monthly basis, CPI rose by 0.4%, driven by price pressures in the services industry. The labour market in Canada remains strong, and as a result, it's a 50-50 call as to whether the BOC will hike rates again in July. Number 4. UK GDP and average earnings data. On Tuesday, July the 11th, the UK unemployment data and wage growth figures will be released, followed by the UK GDP data on Thursday, July 13th. Monthly average earnings have shown strength in recent months, contributing to sticky CPI figures alongside service inflation. If we see another month of solid average earnings and modest economic growth, it could unsettle the Bank of England ahead of the August rate decision. The market is currently pricing in another 50 basis point hike in August after the 50 basis point increase in June. Number 5. ECB minutes and EC growth forecasts. On Thursday, the minutes from the June ECB meeting will also be released, along with the latest European Commission growth forecasts. In June, the ECB raised rates by 25 basis points, with President Christine Lagarde indicating the need for further hikes. However, inflation in the region has been cooling rapidly, as seen with Spain's CPI falling below 2%. ECB policymakers have also shown divisions on how high rates should go. The minutes and growth forecasts may provide further clues on the peak rates. You can of course click on the link in the description just below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and consensus expectation for this time. But for now, thanks everyone, good luck trading this week, and remember to give a quick smash of that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.